Hi friends, you can now install and publish skills directly from the Figma community. I'm going to walk you through a few skills that I made and hopefully inspire you to publish your own. So let's go. My first skill helps you make type scale variables. It's a type scale skill. To use this skill, I'm going to select some text. I'm going to come over here, press / make a type scale and create some variables for it. Now it's going to use that skill. It's going to prompt me for some questions and it's going to go through the steps of generating a type scale. One aspect of this skill is that it will ask you what type of typographic scale you want to create. Let's choose golden ratio. The agent just finished making the type scale. It added one on the canvas. I can come over here to my variables and see that it's generated the variables as well. How cool is that? This next skill is called image audit. Let's try it out. This image audit skill will go through any selection, pull in all the images, create a table telling you how large the image is and whether or not it will export properly at 2x. We can use it on a single image as well. Let's select the image, come down here and say perform / image audit. Let's press enter. We can see that the image is sharp at 2x. Now it'll place an audit card beside it. Now that it's done, the image card is there and we can see the dimensions, the size, and the effective DPI of that image in its current placement. That's really cool. This last skill that I have here is called Shader Starter. It'll make recommendations to help you be more effective when making shader fills and effects. I use it to make this image glitch effect. Now let's walk through how to publish a skill that you may have made. I'm going to head on over here to the bottom left, click into the skill manager. Here you can add skills. What you want to do is click on the skill you wish to publish, head on over here and click publish. Choose to publish to the community. You can upload an image, you can describe your resource, and then add in the final details and hit publish. Once you're all set, you can head on over to the community and browse skills made by others. If you think any of my skills are helpful, please let me know in the comments. And as always, happy designing.